question, no? Naikaso sa Supreme Court, no? The government argued, muna ilang argument, na forest lands are incapable of private appropriation and possession however long. Meaning, basang imuyuta classified as forest land kuno, no? Dili ka ni pwede mahimong private property, dili pwede matituluhan. Muna yung Bisaya nga translation. So, ingon ng gobyerno, prescription does not run against the government. So, is this true? No? So, pasabotan na, maskin pa og, kumbaga, dili sila pwede malate, walay deadline, maskin 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, pwede gyapon ma-question sa gobyerno ang imuhang land title. So, ang ato ang question da, is that even true? So, welcome to our show, no? Ato na to bagon. I am Attorney John Edmond Ruz, and you are listening to our show, Hold Your Ground. So, together, kita magkuyog ta for a few minutes of the present. We look back, no? Gather lessons from the past so that we can possibly use these lessons in the future. So, ang tubagan ng pangutana na to, this is generally true, no? Na ay certain times nga makita nimo nga na mga yuta, no, nga gitituluhan, pero iyang classification karon na nasa forest land or timberland, naa gyud na possibility. Tagaan ta ka og example, concrete example, no, sa Supreme Court case in the next video. So before you leave, please do not forget to like our page and click the subscribe button. Thank you.